Good afternoon everyone. Andito kami ngayon sa Cor Calba Mangrove Center. Ganda dito. Sobrang
Wali, don't go down Sambridge Way, okay? I will take video on you, don't go down.
okay, we're here na. Go down, Bibi. So much fun. B, come here. Itong Cor Calba Mangrove Center, isa to sa pinakabagong ecotourism spot na dinivelop para maprotektahan ng mga mangrove forest at mga hayop na nakatira dito. Tara, samahan nyo kami mag-explore.
Hi to my vlog.
Pagpasok pa lang, mapapansin mo agad kung gaano ka-unique ang design ng building. Parang mga pods o seashell na magkakadugtong. Inspired daw sa sea urchin shell. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa.
I can't be so much fun.
What do you see, Caleb?
A fish.
How many fish?
I see other one.
Isa sa mga highlights dito ay itong aquarium area. Ang cool kasi bawat section may tema. May crabs at iba-ibang sea creatures na galing mismo sa Calba Coast. Habang pinapakita ko yung mga aquarium shots, pansinin nyo kung gaano kalinis at detalyado ang setup nila. Educational talaga, parang mini marine museum sa gitna ng nature park.
Big aquarium. Color white. Color white. Color white.
Let's go.
There is aquarium. Who's that? Aquarium. What's that aquarium? Hello? Hello? Whoa! Look like Ryan!
Look at that, Caleb. So
Wow!
it's a big fish.
Grabe, sobrang saya at excited naman ni Caleb.
What? I like small pig. Is it small and big? Big fish! Big fish! Here's the other one. Whoa! Look at Argentina. His dinner. Where is his dinner? Where's koi fish?
Take a picture. Again. What's that? It's a skull.
It's a skull.
It's a skull, baby.
Nabibigyan mo hindi.
Oo, binibidyoan ko. Wow, it's a crab. Wow. There are so many fish. Hello. May kamukha tong isda na to.
Parrot fish. Straight rabbit fish. Another vlogger. Spotted butterfly fish. Blue tail fish. Hello mga kapusit. Wala tayong nakita kapusit.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi!
How are you?
Daddy, look at that. Sabi mo. Starfish.
Starfish.
It's a starfish.
And a sea urchin.
And the sea urchin. With black.
Yeah. The black one.
Sabi mo.
Do you want to get up here?
What's this? Parang gagamba.
Whoa.
Wow. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to
Like that.
Hi, Kapusit.
Spider.
You're eating. Okay. Ayun, no. Si Kapusit, kinain niya. Ayun, si Kapusit.
Tinapakan niya.
See, he's talking.
He's talking.
It's talking. It's talking. What's talking?
Ito yung map nung Cor Calba Mangrove Center. Kanina galing kami dito sa visitor center tapos sumakay kami ng parang golf cart siya. Go baby! Pagkatapos mo sa indoor area, lalabas ka na papunta sa boardwalk trail at grabe, ang ganda. There are turtles. Nga? Wow! Very big!
Turtle from the Hadana.
Yeah, mashallah. See this turtle? Wow. Caleb, you say hi to turtle.
I see turtle.
Hi, turtle. Eh, wala di turtle.
The turtle is eating. Picture! Look at the camera, Caleb. Wow! Pogi naman. Smile! Smile! Wow!
Forgot the slippers.
Caleb, come here, come here.
Ah, you forgot the sleepers, beach sleeper?
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Slipper. I need some glasses.
We don't have glasses. Habang naglalakad, maririnig mo lang yung mga tunog ng hangin, mga ibon. Wow! Daming trees dito. Siguro pagka napuno talaga ng trees tong UAE, lalamig na siya. Tingnan mo, pag may trees, ang lamig. Kaway ka naman sa camera. Hey, hi. Let's go, you can run. Ayan, nilakad namin dati yan. Hanggang doon, sa kaduluan doon. Grabe. Parang bagong dilig yung mga puno. Tamo, ang lamig. Ang lamig pagka... Ang lamig pagka bagong dilig yung mga puno. Yun nga lang dito talaga. Kailangan mong diligan yung mga puno kasi di naman talaga umuulan masyado dito. Mal, upo tayo dito. Tapos inom tayo ng tubig. Ang dami din naggagala dito. Kahit katirikan ng araw. Ine-expect ko nga kanina, sabi ko, parang dun lang yata kami sa loob ng aquarium tatambay. Sobrang init sa labas. Pero ayun naman, medyo mahangin naman pala dito sa may labas kasi mapuno. Inom na akong tubig. So refreshing. Ang sarap ng water. Sige. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Okay.
He's shaking.
Why are you shaking?
He's shaking. Malin. Ay, Caleb. Uy, doon kayo sa turtle.
Ayun, tortoise.
Turtle doon.
Malin, Jala, ride on the turtle. I will take you picture.
Riding the tortoise.
Hi guys. I'm riding a turtle.
Okay.
Oh, you sit.
Grabe. Malayo-layo pa tong lalakarin natin. Sobrang init. Ayun, after aquarium, we are here naman sa aviary. Siyempre, pag aviary, there are so many birds.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oy, obedo.
Kasama pala kami. Justin. Justin. Anong grade mo na?
6.
Anong pinag-aaralan sa grade 6?
English, Science, Technology.
Teknolohiya. Teknolohiya.
Yeah.
Pinag-aaralan daw ni Justin ay teknolohiya.
Technology.
Teknolohiya. Yan. Naglalakad na kami sa gitna ng disyerto. Napakainit. Dito muna sa Lilom, Caleb. Oh. Punta ka doon? Okay. Nandito naman kami ngayon sa Kingfisher Aviary. Wow. Saan ang ibon?
Where she is? There you are. I think it's Pugo. Tignan mo to.
Okay,
Go.
This one?
This one is
Gray herons are very easy to recognize.
And this is our black bite.
They are very large
And belly large.
and have
They have
long necks,
long necks,
which they
which they
often
open
hold
cold
in the shape
in the shape
of an S.
and up S.
okay, let's go. Grabe. Pero itong panahon na to, hindi daw ito yung pinakamainit dito sa UAE. Sige. Dito.
take a picture at the bridge.
Ayan, pipicturean ko lang sila saglit.
Okay,
Teka, Bibi. One more.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, sarap. Caleb, look, oh, may turtle. Ayun, oh. Let's go, baby. It's like a forest. Oh, ayan na. Wala nang init dyan mamaya sa loob. Yay, Caleb. Where are we? Korkal ba?
Hoy, kalba.
Grabe dito, mahal, no? Ito yung mamumuti na yung mata mo kung mag-iintay ka ng ulap. Ano ba? Magpapalilom ka, no? Wala, hindi lililom dito. Tingnan mo naman yung kalangitan, no? Walang ulap. Ayan na, ano na, oh, cold na dito. Sabi nila, itong forest na to ay mahigit 300 years old na. Grabe, napakatagal na. Can I see? Caleb, can I see?
Look at daddy, picture.
Wow!
Pogi.
Pogi, ah.
One more smile.
Okay, tapusin na natin tong lakaring to at nang makabalik na tayo. Sobrang init na. Wala kang iintaying ulap dito, walang kaulap-ulap sa kalangitan, eh. Habang naglalakad, maririnig mo lang yung mga tunog ng hangin, mga tunog ng ibon, alon. Makikita mo rin sa ilalim yung mga root system ng mangroves. Yan ang nagsisilbing tahanan ng mga isda at crabs. Pwede magpahinga dito sa dulo. Kung mapapansin nyo sa footage, sobrang peaceful ng paligid. Perfect maglakad dito kung gusto mo mag-relax o mag-unwind mula sa city life. Init. Walang tubig, oh. Halika, sit here, baby. What do you see?
Crab.
Caleb, what do you see?
A crab.
What do you see?
Ocean.
What do you see?
Blessing.
What do you see?
A tree.
Are you tired?
No.
No?
Wow.
Wow. It's so windy. Yeah.
I can press the stop.
Yeah. It's so windy.
It's
It is?
recording.
Is it?
It's recording.
Yeah. Is it windy?
Yes.
Is it cold?
No, it's windy.
Yeah. But the wind is cold or the wind is hot?
The wind is cold.
The wind is cold.
So many, many crabs, so many crabs, so many, many crabs, so many, many crabs, so many crabs, so many crabs, so many, many crabs, so many, many crabs.
Yeah.
Very good ah.
Very good.
You're a good singer, Caleb. Ay, look at the camera, Caleb. Yay!
Na-picturean.
Di ba? I-screenshot ko na lang
One
yan.
more. Picture.
Bukod sa ganda, importante rin talaga ang role ng mangroves. Sila yung nagpo-protect sa coastline laban sa erosion at dito rin nanganganak ang maraming uri ng isda. Sa Calba Mangrove area pa lang may over 100 species of fish at 90 types of crustacean. Paano babasahin yan? Basta, crustacean. Crustacean. Ewan ko ba? Bahala na.
Take rest.
Kaya super protected area ito. Ayan, palabas na kami ng Calba. Sakay na kami.
Say hi. Hi.
Sige. Yala. Yala.
Let's go.
Yala, yala.
Walid Hall.
Yeah.
Romili, pwede ka lang sumigaw. Hello! Romili. Hello. Bye!
Ayan, wala na akong ma-voice over dito sa part na to. Kaya, ayan, pangiti-ngiti na lang ako dyan. I-enjoy nyo na lang view, ayan. At sobrang ganda naman. Okay.
Thank you.
Yala.
Ano, Walid?
Bye!
Bye. See you next time.
See you next